Hey guys, what's happening? Well, sorry it's been a while since I've been on the camera here, but I don't know, been busy with work, been busy with friggin' everything and anything, and unfortunately really haven't had any time to get on the camera here. So yeah, today what we're going to be doing is going out and doing a little bit of wheeling. Woohoo! Check it out, been a while since I've been into here. Come on. There we go. Oh, there's my puppy. Hi, puppies. What? 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 Hi, puppy dog. Hi, Rubies. Hi, Rubes. There's a peanut. There's a good peanut, aren't ya? Time to get out in the wheelers. See, there's a little bit of mud in the bush. I think it's mostly snow, but unfortunately, hey, what are you going to do? This time of year is a little tough to really do anything. So here we go. Check this out. Oh yeah. You know, it's funny, eh? This whole winter, freezing my ass off in my truck. My heater core, lots of heat, both hoses. Changed my thermostat, and still no friggin' heat in this goddamn truck all winter. I froze my ass off in here. You'd always see steam, you know, coming off of my breath. Well, I put a piece of cardboard in front of the rad, and you know what? Didn't help. But the piece of cardboard is still there. Normally, all winter long. See if you can see that. Hope I can see that. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, hopefully you can. Anyway, all winter long, the temperature would be between the 40 and the halfway mark, the 100, the halfway mark there. Well, now that it's nicer, look where it is, 100. Nice. Cardboard's coming out. That big pig of a 6-cylinder. Alrighty, where's my old cardboard? Now it's getting hot. Yeah, winter's over. Oh, you got the long one. Look at that, she still got the kits on the tires. Yeah. Nice wheels. So what's the story on this machine? What is she?
Can-Am 800 mud racer.
Nice, nice.
Biggest, the baddest, meanest.
What kind of size tires we got here? 30-inch silverbacks. Nice. What's that, Dan?
It's the next best thing to an Arctic Cat.
Well, sure you all know this one here. Been out with him a few times. It's actually looking kind of clean today. What the hell are you doing, Dan?
Winter.
And, of course, I got the old red girl up here.
Oh, you film everything.
Well, here we go. Looks like we're not the only people in North Bay that had the same idea today.
Hey Rex, got a picture of my bike in me. Send me on Facebook.
That's a big machine, man. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Look at the size of it, man.
Oh, hey.
Like, look, he's like he's riding a horse. Like, look how small he is on it.